Hey, good evening. Just thought I'd show you fitting the Alpicool fridge. I've got another screw to put at the top. But what I've done, I've got a piece of ash that I've let lying around for ages, cut it down for the size of the cupboard. So you don't know what, it could be any size, you have to measure your own, I'm afraid. In the fridge you have two little sections here and they come out, okay? And then you've got two holes. You've got the holes in there, you have to drill them in through there, okay? And that one I've already put a screw in and fixed it to the piece of, it's a nice piece of ash that going down there. And what I did then, when I measured it, I measured the distance from the edge of the cupboard to where I want the fridge to sit, and I popped in a couple of good size screws there. Got another one to go on, but once I moved the jack which is there. And I just thought I'd show you how I'm fitting this is the Alpicool, where are we? This is the Alpicool 65, okay? So you got two, like I said, two screw holes here which have got little caps on, and then what you do is pop them back in afterwards. So I got it out, I just drilled another hole through here. Got my drill set up ready. I'll show you that actually if you want to see it. Sorry, I'm doing this by hand, just holding it. So just line up in the middle. You have to go through the metal into the wood. Okay. I'm just going to change the head over now for a screwdriver bit. Okay, so I just popped it in there with my fingers just to show you. The screw I'm using is about 1.5 inches. Oh, goes the other way, it works better. And then I'll just power it home. Try and get them in as far as you can. And then you've got to put the cap in afterwards. These are the caps when they pop back in. I might have to cut that down a little bit, just the edge, to get them to fit properly. Because they're fair. Oh, there you go. Because they're fair screw heads on these, because I don't want the fridge to move, especially when it's fully laden. Oh, there we go. That's it. Okay, that's it. It's that simple. So I've only got a couple of screws. I've only got two on the fridge. You can't have that. The other side as well, if you've got an opposite door or you want to fit the other side, it's entirely up to you. I mean, that's not going anywhere. Not the size of screws I've used. Yeah, just a quick one. I've got to put another couple of screws on the outside. So if you imagine the thickness of this and the thickness, because you don't want to drill holes all the way through and then come into your fridge. That would be pointless. So I just made sure I measured enough. It's about, I would say it's a good 1.75 inches, and they're good size screws as well. Okay, and that's it. Bit of a hoover now. And I've been meaning to do this for the last year, so I'm quite chuffed that's done. I've got the finish off the water pipes to do to go down the back of the fridge. I've got to drill a hole through the hole in the floor in the van so we can put waste out, and then we put a bucket underneath that to catch the grey water. And then we're somewhere near, I think, ready to go. We're off for a big trip soon in about 4 weeks' time. We're going to Tuscany. So hence why I'm doing all the work on the van. Alright, if you enjoyed that, fitting the fridge to the side of the wall of the cabinet, give it a thumbs up. Okay, take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.